if you're looking at a lower height caravan, this could be a perfect choice. The mess price 12,490, and it's pretty basic, but as you see, the standing height it's 1.7, so you can put a roof at the top and still be under the 2-meter check mark, and you can fit 4 people on it. And looks like a pretty nice caravan with a lot of great design, and it is with a sink, one burner stove, and water storage down there. And on the other side we have a 26-liter fridge, not so bad, and the control unit right up there. If we go around, we can check this Campass from this side and measure the actual bed. So this is approximately 1.466, and it's along 2 meter exactly. So 2 people or probably 3 can sleep pretty easily. With additional storage space right there, and additional storage space also here. So with all the control boards right up there. Then there is a big storage unit right up there. Not bad at all. And going around, we have an additional storage unit right up here. Pretty great Campass Journey Cr400 in different color variants as you like. They have also this turquoise blue version with just 10,000 euros at the mess price.